That's for the video, and here's it. So this is a free data and airtime from MTN and Vodafone in the celebration of the longest cooking hour, which is held by Chef Razak Abdul Faliatu. Okay, so she cooked for 227 hours. I know most of you went there to enjoy the diet. For me, I wasn't close by, so Charlie, I was unable to go. But if I was close by, Charlie, by now, Charlie, you know. But I'm just hoping that those close by me should also participate in the cookathon so that it will be close by me every morning, afternoon, evening. I'll just go and then eat and then come back. No food, no spending of cash, bro. Yeah, so this is one thing that I saw. So this link is trending on WhatsApp, okay, and all that they are saying is that MTN and Vodafone are giving out free data and airtime. And I want to clarify for you to just give you the full details that this one, it is never true. It is never it is never happening. Okay, MTN will never give you free data. Vodafone too, never. Okay, just that for me, I just give you the free data and airtime. So that's one thing that I do, and that's one thing that I would say that you will not get it anywhere apart from Ostitex. So make sure you subscribe and like the video, and check in the comment section. Join my Telegram group, okay? Join my Telegram channel, and you'll be getting updates about free airtime, free data. That's how you'll be getting it. For this link that you see online, don't trust them. When you see your friend posting it or sharing it to you, ask your friend, have you got it, have you received it, before you also tap on the link. Because with this thing, some of them can just tap information from you, some can also hack you, and a lot of things. Okay, so just make sure before you tap on any link, just verify from the one who sent it to you, okay, for more information before you also tap on it. And then I think it will be the best. Okay, so congratulations to Chef Faliatu Abdul Razak Cookathon, 227 hours. You can also do the same. For me, I'll be doing content town. What's that? Content atom. So it will be contaton. Yeah, I'll be just creating content for like how many days. Alright, so this is what I have to say about the free data and airtime that is trending on WhatsApp. Don't click on it, it is never true. Stay alive and bye for now.